Welcome to an in-depth exploration of how we attempt to understand and predict the rhythmic ebb and flow within the seemingly chaotic world of financial markets. We'll be dissecting two powerful mathematical concepts, Sine Models and Fourier Transforms, and their application in mapping periodic cycles amidst market volatility. Financial markets are notoriously complex, characterized by constant fluctuations driven by myriad factors from economic news to geopolitical events and investor sentiment. Identifying underlying patterns in this noise is a critical, yet challenging, endeavor for analysts and traders alike. Despite the apparent randomness, markets often exhibit periodic cycles. These can be daily trading patterns, weekly cycles influenced by economic reports, or even seasonal trends linked to corporate earnings or consumer spending. Recognizing these hidden rhythms can offer a significant edge. At its simplest, a sine model uses the basic sine wave function, y(t) equals a sin, omega t plus phi, to represent an oscillation. Here, a is the amplitude, omega is the angular frequency determining the period, and phi is the phase shift. It's a fundamental building block for describing repeating phenomena. The advantage of a simple sine model lies in its elegance and interpretability. If a market truly exhibits a dominant, clear periodicity, a sine wave can provide a straightforward and easily understood representation, allowing for quick visualization and potential short-term forecasting. However, the real world of volatile markets rarely conforms to a single, perfect sine wave. Market movements are typically a superposition of multiple cycles, often irregular and with varying amplitudes and phases. A single sine model quickly falls short in capturing this complexity, leading to poor fits and unreliable predictions. This is where Fourier transforms enter the scene. Named after Joseph Fourier, this mathematical technique allows us to decompose a complex time domain signal into its constituent frequencies, revealing the individual sine and cosine waves that, when summed, reconstruct the original signal. Conceptually, a Fourier transform takes a time series, like a stock's price history, and translates it into a frequency domain representation. It asks, what periodic components, at what amplitudes, make up this signal? The output is a spectrum showing which frequencies are most dominant in the data. The power of Fourier transforms in market analysis is immense. It can uncover hidden periodicities that are not visually obvious, allowing us to identify multiple cycles occurring simultaneously. This frequency domain perspective offers a much richer understanding of market structure than a simple time domain view. In practice, a Fourier transform can help identify recurring patterns in trading volume, volatility, or price movements themselves. For instance, if a specific weekly cycle is consistently strong, it might suggest opportunities for strategic entry and exit points, or indicate market maker behavior. Despite their power, Fourier transforms are not a magic bullet. They assume stationarity in the data, which is rarely perfectly true for financial markets. Interpreting the frequency spectrum in nonlinear, adaptive systems like markets requires careful consideration, and the future is never truly a perfect repetition of the past. Ultimately, sine models and Fourier transforms are complementary tools. While simple sine models offer an intuitive grasp of singular, dominant cycles, Fourier transforms provide the sophisticated mechanism to dissect and understand the complex symphony of multiple periodicities that truly drive volatile markets.